Alright, so hello everyone, this is Miss Turner and I'm going to be talking to you about this dividing by a decimal worksheet. So in this problem that I'm looking at, it's number 5, we need to write down some important information. First, we need to know that Jane got $20 for her allowance. Then we also need to know that she spent $9.75 on on Jolly Ranchers from problem 4. We also need to know that sweet tarts cost $2.80 per pound. Okay, so let's get into the problem. Number 5 says Jane decided that she would spend the rest of her money on sweet tarts. About how many pounds of sweet tarts did Jane purchase? So, like I said, we needed to figure out how much money she has left over. I'm going to take from this tens place and I'm going to regroup it all the way down to my hundredths place. 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 7 is 2. Bring down my decimal point. 9 minus 9 is 0, and 1 minus 0 is 1. So Jane has $10.25 left to spend on sweet tarts. So we need to divide that by the $2.80 for the sweet tarts. Remember, if your divisor has a decimal, you need to make it a whole number. So in order to make this a whole number, I just need to move it one time to the right. Whatever I do to my divisor, I must do to my dividend, so I'm going to move it one time to the right. Now my division problem is 102.5 divided by 28. So let's do the math. 28 can't go into 1, it can't go into 10, but it can go into 102. Let's round. So the closest number would be 30, and I know that 30 times 4 is going to be 120. So let's try 28 times 3. Let's see if we get close. 6 plus 2 is 8, 84. So I'm going to say 3 and subtract 84. 9, 8. Oops, because I borrowed 1. 28 can't go into 18, so let's bring down our 5. How many times can 28 go into 185? Well, 30 times 6 is 180, so let's try 28 times 6. 168. Don't forget to put your decimal in the quotient, since it's already in the dividend. I'm going to subtract like normal. From 7. Add a 0, bring it down. Add another 0, because we're going to be rounding from the thousandths. But this number 20 can't go into 28, so it'll be 0. Receive about 3.66 pounds of sweet tarts with the rest of her money. Please continue to solve these problems and do the best you can. You all seem to do pretty well with dividing decimals yesterday, so I have faith that you will continue to do well now. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and if you have any problems logging in, please message me, or solving problems, please message me on Schoology.